Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone not getting service on your iOS, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here cellular data or mobile data. Just try to turn it off and turn it on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, if it doesn't help you, just try to take off your SIM card and just put inside again. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it by making force restart. So you can also just find in the Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart, because it depends on model of iPhone you have. And also that's all methods I know that you can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.